The future of space starts here. Where's here? This is the Ascend virtual event platform. From here, you can access all the parts of Ascend, ranging from virtual workshops to lightning talks to town halls. You can even tune in on pitch sessions and debates and interact with the other 2,000 innovators who are participating in the event. On this platform, we'll hear from keynotes like Dahani Jones, Administrator James Bridenstine, Catherine Leaders, Andy Weir, General John Raymond, Secretary Barbara M. Barrett, Marilyn Houston,
Harry
Steve
Byron,
Jervitz,
Harrison Schmidt,
Admiral James Ellis,
David
Tori
Newman,
Bajaj,
Michael Lisa Rich,
Shauna Pontiac,
Alec
Ariel
Gallo,
Tori Bruno. In other words, this is where all the magic happens. Ready to jump in and see how it works? First, we'll cover signing in. Before the start of Ascend, you'll receive an email with your personal identification information for the event. These 3 lines, virtual platform, username, and password, contain the necessary information to participate in the event. Clicking the virtual platform link will take you to the virtual platform login page. Enter the username and password from the email and hit sign in. Next, let's take a look at the lobby. Immediately after logging in, you'll be directed to the Ascend lobby. From here, there are 2 ways to navigate the platform. You can either click on any of the colorful banners, or you can use the top menu bar to navigate to the corresponding part of the platform. Just like on a standard website, the top navigation will remain visible throughout the platform, so there's little chance of you getting lost. If at any time you'd like to return to the lobby, simply click Lobby in the top navigation. Let's dive into the different parts of the event. First, we'll visit the engagement zone. In the engagement zone, you can interact with the event sponsors. By clicking on one of the tiles, you can see the company booth, a video, and some basic information. You can also explore the menu in the top right-hand corner to learn more about the company and the products that they offer. Down at the bottom of your screen, you'll find different ways that you can interact with the booth as well. You can chat with company representatives, scan your badge, or earn some points for adding them to your e-badge, which will bookmark the booth for later. To get back to the starting engagement zone screen at any time, just click this back button here. Next, let's look at how you participate in the program content. By clicking the Auditorium nav item at the top of your window, you will be able to see the main sessions of Ascend. This is what the session view looks like. The majority of the screen will show the session video, either the session slides, the speaker video, or in the case of a panel session, a mosaic of all the presenters. And on the right-hand side of the screen, you can interact with the session speakers and other attendees. The chat feature allows for both public and private messaging. Public chats go to all the session participants, including the speakers, while the private chat allows you to message individual session attendees. A red dot will appear to notify you when you have received a new message. You can also submit questions to presenters by using the Q&A feature. Type your question and hit send. Attendees can also upvote questions in the Q&A panel in order to help identify which questions are most important and relevant. Don't worry if you make a mistake when submitting a question, you can delete your submission at any time. While this sample session does not include polling, some sessions will allow you to respond to polls under the Poll tab in the right-hand window. Finally, the Handout tab will include any of the session documents that are available for download. They will appear here with the download link to save the files to your desktop. Next, let's look at the Technical Sessions tab. The Technical Sessions page holds a long list of recorded content that you can view at any time. You can either click on the title or the buttons at the bottom of the card in order to learn more about the speaker, watch the recording, or participate in discussion on the technical session topic. There are a lot of presentations on this page to explore. If you're looking for something specific, typing the title into the search bar at the top of the page will bring up the relevant session. Finally, one of the most important parts of an event is interacting with the other attendees. The Attendee Lounge is the place where you can meet and converse with attendees outside of programmatic content. In the lounge, you'll see a menu at the top left side of your screen. By clicking the top button, you'll be taken to a new tab where you can join discussion groups and start private chats with other attendees. When you join a group, a message bar will appear at the bottom of your screen. Select a group, type your message, and hit the blue airplane button to send. Back in the Attendee Lounge, the second button in the menu allows you to make appointments with other attendees. Click the Smart Match Appointments button, search by last name or company, and you can schedule an appointment. And there you go. That's how you interact with other attendees using the Attendee Lounge. As you explore the rest of the platform, feel free to email your questions to ascend@aiaa.org. And with that, welcome to Ascend. Ascend is made possible by our generous sponsors and powered by AIAA.